Hi, it's Michaela Minkler. We are going to go over a different way to solve multiplying integers when we're modeling with counters. I have another video of how I originally did it, and this is just another way to approach these problems. So, so multiplication, just as a reminder, is combining equal groups. It's basically repeated addition. So when I'm multiplying it two positives, I could read this as four groups of two equals eight, or two groups of four equals eight. And that's how I would model it with positive counters. Negative means opposite. For example, -4 times -3 is equivalent to the opposite of 4 times -3. So solving a positive times a positive is not any different than my method before. So I'm just going to show this is two groups of five. You could do five groups of two. And I get positive 10. This one I could do three groups of four or four groups of three and get positive 12. All right, so when we have a negative and a positive, we can do this other method where we just write some zero pairs. A zero pair is a positive and a negative that cancel each other out. This equals 0. So I know just from basic multiplication that 1 times 4 is 4. So I am going to draw four zero pairs. So in my mind, this expression says take away four positives. Take away one group of four positives. So I'm going to take away one group of four positives, and that leaves me with -4. All right, this time I have two negatives. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to draw 18 zero pairs. This might be where you want to follow the method of my other video. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, so I read this expression as take away six groups of -3. So one group, two, three, four, five, six. What do I have left? I have 18 positives left. All right, -4 times -2. I'm going to draw four zero pairs. I'm sorry, eight zero pairs, because 4 times 2 is 8. And I'm going to take away 4 groups of -2. I'm left with +8. Number 6, 3 times 5 is 15, so I'm going to draw. Actually, I don't need 0 pairs for this because this number is positive. So I'm going to draw 3 groups of -5. That gives me -15. All right, negative and a negative 7 times 2 is 14, so I'm going to draw 14 0 pairs. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like if you have extra 0 pairs, what you do. All right, so I'm going to take away 7 groups of -2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I know that this equals 0. This equals 0. So then I have +14. All right, here I have 2 groups of -3. It's -6. And then last but not least, it is common to feed dogs 1 cup of food a day. How many cups of food would you feed your dog in a week? 1 cup. A week has 7 days. You could figure this out without drawing a model, but that's 7 cups. Thank you for watching.